Everyone, welcome to Engineering Science N3. Now, I'm just going to go over the things that you expect to do in Engineering Science N3. We start off with the first module, which is motion, power, and energy. Under this module, we're going to look at velocity and acceleration. We will touch on Newton's second law, which involves force, mass, and acceleration. We'll also deal with work done, energy, and power. Then we round up with momentum, as well as belts and drives. In the second module, we're going to look at conditions for equilibrium. We'll touch on some examples, which include levers and laminas, as well as beams. Under the beams, we're mainly going to focus on the law of conservation of moment. Then, third module looks at forces. We're still going to review the conditions of equilibrium, and then look at the triangle of forces. We're also going to work on simple work frames. One of the key things is the condition for equilibrium, which says that the sum of the forces in any direction is equal to 0, meaning sum of force going to the right is the same as force going to the left. Sum of force going up is equal to force going down. And then the next module is friction. We're going to look at static and kinetic friction, as well as the coefficient of friction. We'll do examples for bodies on a horizontal surface and on an incline. We're also going to talk about work done, energy, and power as well. And then the next module will be heat. We're going to look at expansion of solids. And expansion of solids, we're going to talk of the coefficient of linear expansion, coefficient of area expansion. We're also going to look at the conservation of energy, where energy is transferred from one body to another. Then the next section under heat will be steam. We're going to learn a lot about steam, its advantages, its disadvantages, and how it is applied in industry. After heat, we'll look at hydraulics. Under hydraulics, it's mainly dealing with pressure. You need to know the basics of pressure. What is pressure? What are the units of pressure? What is Pascal's law? We're going to be looking at calculations involving the hydraulic press. And also, we're going to look at work done against the pressure, work done against the height, so that we get to know all about this and how it applies in industry. The next module is electricity. We're going to be talking about power, voltage, resistance, current, internal resistance, all the things that involve electricity. We're going to talk about cells. We're also going to look at electrolysis and how it benefits industry. And then we're going to look at AC current, AC circuit theory, look at transformers and how they benefit us as people in the world. And then the last module we're going to look at is chemistry. Okay, chemistry involves a study of the periodic table to know about the metals and non-metals, atom, how the structure of the atom is like. We're going to talk about the electron, the proton, the neutrons. We'll look also at electrolysis, electron transfer. We're going to look at what is oxidation, what is reduction. Okay, and as well talk about corrosion. What is corrosion? What causes corrosion and how can it be prevented? So all this we're going to study under chemistry. So this is all the stuff that you expect to do in Engineering Science N3. Thank you so much, everyone. Looking forward to seeing you in Engineering Science N3.